it going? Today we're going to draw a cute version of Pomni from Amazing Digital Circus. So let's get started, okay? Super simple, super easy. Alrighty. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to draw a circle for one of Pomni's eyes. So right here I'm going to draw, you can draw like a C shape first. Doesn't have to be the entire eye because I get it's kind of hard to draw perfect, Circle doesn't have to be perfect, by the way. Just kind of slowly get it there. Right on. Let's go over here on this side. Same thing, as close to the same shape as you can. Don't stress over it if it's not perfect. It's not a big deal. You just kind of want to like get it close enough. That's all. Gonna go over here now, and I'm gonna draw a circle on the inside. Maybe make that line thinner if you can, but again, don't stress over it. Just do your best. You just want the impression of the drawing that you did, that's all. Cool, cool. Right on. I'm digging it. All right. And Pomni has these kind of, what do you call it? These shapes to the eyes. So I'm just going to put like an X through it and one more line here. X through it over here. Line through the middle there. Right on. Good stuff so far. I'm going to draw a line underneath for kind of the mouth. Alrighty. Let's go over here, put a line right there for kind of the forehead, line over here for the other part of the forehead. And I'm going to draw a line across for the hat. Proportions are a little bit different than the normal Pomni. It's just something to keep in mind. Go down here, kind of a square shape for the head. Over here on this far side, curve over here for the side of the cheek, curve over here for the side of the cheek. And then we're going to connect these at the bottom here. So connect them like so. So far so good, right? It's just kind of like a simple exercise. Don't worry about it. Just having a good time. Let's draw some lines right here underneath, like these underneath. Line, line, line. Kind of the eyelash area. Curve line on the top for kind of the band right there on the hat. Before we draw everything in the hat, let's go down into the body first. We want it to be like a cuter version, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to change the proportions of Pomni. And a little bit of the design as well is going to be different. So right now I want you to draw a line down, cross over here, pull back up. The upper torso is already like a little bit of a different proportion. And this is like the cute drawing we're going into. And if you really, really, really love drawing cute stuff, go check out the free ebook. It's in the description. It is How to Draw Something Cute. It's laid out for you. I put it there as a resource. It's very few pages, and it just goes over the proportions of cute, how to turn anything you want cute. Like if you really want to draw any character you want in like a cute form, go pick that up. It goes over proportions, goes over like maybe hand types and foot types for cute characters, and it gives you the difference between chibi and ultra chibi. Go take a look at that. It's free right now, and I'm going to charge later for it, but like I said, it's free right now, so go pick that up in the description. It'll be the first link. All right, let's keep going back into this. So that cute proportion here, again, also a change of design. And I'm going to go down right here for the leg. Out right here for the foot, down. Out right here for the foot, up. Again, completely different version, right? Line right here for the shoulder, shot here for the shoulder. Line out, 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 out. And I'm going to draw a ball at the end. We're kind of using these simplified shapes to really make this really simplified version of Pomni. Let's go over here and draw some hair on the side. So over here I'm going to draw a line out, in right there. Over here, same thing. Out, in right here. Draw a circle right here on the outfit. Don't forget, by the way, we're almost done, so stay with me. Circle right here. And then we're going to draw a line down there through that for that outfit change. Okay, let's get to the kind of most important part of this, and that would be the hat. Excuse me, sorry about that, a little bit tired. Gonna go over here, maybe make this the center, you never know. And I'm gonna pull out, like so. Curve over here. Out, like so over here on this side. Okay. Curve over here. And we're going to put a circle at the end right there. Over here now. Circle at the end over here. And now let's go into the color change of the hat. Okay. So split line in the middle. Go over here now. Curve down. And one more curve right there. Over here on this side, curve, curve right here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a little circle here on the cheek, circle here on the other cheek, kind of that rosy cheek look. And then the last thing we're going to do, okay, is we're going to put a thicker line around the outside border of the character, giving it just a thicker line on the outside, giving it more of a sticker look. I think it's a very cool look to do that. There we go. Line over here. Curve right there. Line over here. Also, like I said, if you got this, good. Don't forget to share the video if you can. Sharing it really, really helps the channel out. If you do want to give back, that is the way to give back to the channel. That is totally free. Just share the video with a friend or just anyone on social media. So, almost there. Let's see this line. That's it. Thank you for watching. Stick around. We're going to go over another drawing lesson together, so stick around. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.